Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, I'll show you how to send link in Monopoly Go. So first, open up your Monopoly Go app as you can see on your screen, and then tap on the friends icon right here at the bottom right corner. And it will show you the options here, and you can find here all your friends and family. Now at the bottom, you'll find invite button. So just tap on this invite button here. And then here, invite friends, you have two options. You can invite using a link or you can invite directly to your Messenger app. So if you want to invite directly on your Messenger app, so tap on that button. So as you can see, it will now directly go on your Messenger. So just tap on send and it will send them a invitation link. Here on invite option, if you tap this one, you'll find all the options here where you want to send your Monopoly Go link. For example, I want to send here on my WhatsApp. So I just tap on WhatsApp and here find a contact that you want to send this link. So for example, this one. And here it goes right here. So this will be the link that they need to tap and they will directly go to Monopoly Go app. And if they actually create an account, you will receive a reward from Monopoly Go. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.